Welcome to Natural Home Remedies. Here we are with another delicious recipe. Today we are going to make the delicious aloo parathas. Please do not use if you are allergic to any of the ingredients used in this recipe. Now let's see what are the ingredients of this recipe. Half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, red chili powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, mango powder or Aamchor powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, dry coriander seeds half teaspoon, dry fenugreek leaves 1 tablespoon, Heeng 1 pinch, coriander powder half teaspoon. Dry pomegranate seeds as per taste, allspice powder, garam masala half teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, boiled potatoes medium sized 4 to 5, onion large size 1, green chili 2, ginger small piece, fresh coriander 2 tablespoons, mint leaves 2 tablespoons. Use of ginger in this recipe is very good for digestion, but if you don't like ginger or anything in this recipe, you can omit it. Okay, now let's see how to make the dough for this recipe. To prepare the dough, we need wheat flour 4 cups, salt half teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoons and warm water to knead the dough. In a big bowl, add salt and oil in flour and gradually add more water to knead a smooth dough. Leave it for half an hour before making parathas. Now we will tell you how to prepare the filling of this recipe. Take onion, ginger and green chili in a chopper and chop them, or you can do it manually. In a bowl, take boiled mashed potatoes, chopped onion, ginger and green chili, and then add all the dry ingredients along with fresh coriander and mint leaves. Now mix all the spices in potatoes and check salt and pepper according to your taste. Potato filling for aloo paratha is ready. In this video, we will show you 3 easy ways of making aloo paratha. Now I'm going to tell you the first way of making paratha, that is with single dough ball. Make a small ball of dough, roll it of paratha size. Now put the potato filling at half side of rolled dough. You can add cheese as well for kids. Now it's time to turn the other half of dough and press from all the sides to seal the filling properly. This is a very quick way to make for kids' school lunch. Put the rolled paratha on hot pan or tawa. Add some ghee or oil as per your choice. Cook it from one side, then turn it and cook it from other side as well. When the paratha is cooked from both sides, take it out in a plate and serve it hot. This is a second way with single dough ball. Take a dough ball, flatten it a little with hands. Put the filling in its center and make the ball again by covering the filling inside. Roll this filled dough ball and make paratha. Now cook it on hot pan in the same way as the first method. Here is the third way of making aloo paratha by using 2 dough balls. Flatten each dough ball a little. Put the filling on one rolled ball, leaving the sides. Put the other flattened rolled ball on top and press from all the sides to seal the filling. Roll it thin to make paratha. Cook it on hot pan or tawa in same way as we did earlier. The crispy aloo parathas are ready to eat. You can serve them with raita or chutney. Make these crispy, yummy and tasty parathas anytime you want. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the new videos. Thank you.